I'm Will Hayes. I'm the quality manager here at Adwin Spring. We're a spring and pressings manufacturing company that specialise in short batch productions and prototyping. Before we purchased the OGP, we used traditional measuring methods of verniers, micrometers and shadowgraphs. A lot of the traditional methods, different people can get different readings. It can be quite inaccurate and you can use the methods to suit yourself. We were looking for a alternative method because some of our customers demanding more accurate results, and as well as demanding different types of reports and different feature sets from what we're traditionally using, and a lot more 3D measurements. So I looked into different methods such as laser scanning and other non-contact companies, but found OGP to offer the best product. We went for the OGP CNC 300. The reason we chose OGP is because we needed a non-contact form of measurement, because we actually manufacture springs and a traditional CMM would move the springs, so instead of making a definite measurement. During the implementation and setup, it got delivered on time when it said that it was going to be delivered. The OGP engineer was here, I think, within the next 2 days. The training that we received, especially from Darren and his team, I thought was fantastic. The training days were very necessary for some of our staff and they really greatly benefited from it. During our demo stages, we realised that the OGP interface was more suited to our business, as we produce a large range of parts, so setup and program initialisation needed to be much quicker than most other machines because of the vast array of products that we make per year. We started seeing the benefits, I'd say, within the first month. A lot of our parts, as we do in process inspection, we're programmed up very quickly, and then the machine runs the program in 30 seconds rather than 5 minutes checking it on a shadowgraph. Other than major improvement on in-process inspection, time saving on writing reports and producing first-off inspections, it's also vastly improved the quality of the product that we send to our customers, because using a traditional shadowgraph and 10-to-1s, it's completely eliminated any sort of inaccuracies that we used to send. Since having the machine, we've demoed it to some of our customers and suppliers who've both been suitably impressed.